Hey everyone, welcome back to Techfee, where we simplify digital success one step at a time. This is Afraz here, and in today's video, I'm sharing the exact steps on how to become a successful YouTuber in 2025, even if you're starting from scratch. Whether you're a student, beginner, or someone who doesn't want to show their face, this video is your no-fluff guide to starting and growing your YouTube channel today. Step 1. Choose your niche and audience. Pick a topic you love: tech, lifestyle, gaming, beauty, or finance. Use Google Trends or YouTube search to see what's in demand. Step 2. Create your channel. Set up your channel using a Gmail account. Add a profile picture, banner, and short bio, and connect your social links. Step 3. Plan your content. Use a simple content calendar. Mix evergreen ideas like tutorials with trending topics to stay visible. Step 4. Use what you have. You don't need expensive gear. Your phone, good lighting, and a quiet space are enough to begin. Step 5. Record and edit videos. Script your videos to stay on point. Use free tools like CapCut or Pictory to edit quickly, even with AI. Step 6. Optimize for SEO. Use keywords in your title, tags, and description. Add clickable thumbnails and use chapters to boost viewer retention. Step 7. Publish with purpose. Post when your audience is active. Use end screens, playlists, and cards to keep viewers engaged. If you want the full blueprint, including monetization methods, real income stats, tools, and a free starter checklist, click the link in the description to read the full blog post. Now I want one favor from you. If this helped you, smash the like button and share it with a friend who wants to grow on YouTube. Subscribe to Techfee for more digital marketing tips, tutorials, and income guides. And hit the bell icon so you never miss out on new uploads. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.